In this video, I am going to show how to install MongoDB Community Server on Windows 11. So let's get started. Browse this URL mongodb.com and then download Community Server. Click here and then scroll down. Select the current version and then select the platform and then select the package. I am going to download MSI package. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading MongoDB Community Server. After downloading MongoDB Community Server, also download a tool MongoDB Shell. Select the version and then select platform and select the package and then click on download. It may take a while for downloading Mongoose. I'm going to install MongoDB Community Server. So navigate to download folder and open this MongoDB Community Server's Microsoft installer file. Now click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Now choose setup type. For the beginner, the complete option is recommended. Select complete and then specify optional settings to configure MongoDB as a service. Select install MongoDB as a service. Here you will see the data directory and the log directory. Okay, now click on next. To access the MongoDB server from a graphical user interface, select this option to install MongoDB Compass. Click on next. Finally, the setup wizard is ready to begin installation. So click on the install button. It may take a while for installing MongoDB Community Server on your Windows 11 operating system. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. This may take a few minutes for installing MongoDB Compass tool. After installing MongoDB Compass tool, you will be able to manage MongoDB database server from graphical user interface. That's it. MongoDB Compass installed successfully. Now click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Now I am going to install Mongoose. So navigate to download folder and extract or unzip this zip archive. Extract here. Okay. Now copy this folder and paste into the local disk C. You can rename it. Okay. Now copy this path and I'm going to set up environment variable. Open, edit the system environment variable, click on environment variables, and then locate path variable. Okay, now click on edit and then add a new path. Okay, and then also copy the path of MongoDB Community Server. So navigate to bin subdirectory and copy this path and then add a new path, paste here this path. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, okay. Now I am going to verify the installation. Open command prompt and type this command MongoDB version. Here you will see the installed version of MongoDB. Okay. Now I am going to start MongoDB Shell using this command mongosh. Hit enter. That's it. MongoDB Community Server is running on this port. Okay. Now write this command to show all database of MongoDB Community Server. Show dbs. Okay, I'm going to create a new database in MongoDB Community Server from Mongo Shell. Use MyDB. Here MyDB is the database name for my new database. Hit enter. Okay, here type this command again, show dbs. You need to create a collection in the newly created database. To show the newly created database on this command, so I'm going to create a new collection, db.create collection. Enter the collection name between double quotation. Okay, now show database. Here you will see the newly created database. Okay, to exit this shell, press Ctrl C double time. Okay, now I am going to access the MongoDB database from a graphical user interface. So open MongoDB Compass and click on connect. Here you will see the databases and you can create a new queries. Expand newly created database. Here you will see the collection. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.